Okay guys, Selena's going to spray their engine for us, which is right out there somewhere, right out there, which you guys probably can't see because you're in the sun. But we're going to make the turd. We're going to polish the turd. Seen it here first. We're going to mix up this blue we got. Let me bring you guys over here. This is an Emerald Industrial paint. I don't know, I've sprayed it on everything before, so it should be fine for the motor. I sprayed tractors with it and it was fine. That motor's all greasy, so we'll know. We don't know, but there it is. I don't know if you guys can see that. But anyway, there it is. It's 4-to-1. We do put accelerator and everything, even though I think this is the wrong accelerator. They sold me for $1 million, and it doesn't seem to accelerate anything. It was just like putting $100 bills in that, hoping it was going to speed it up. Didn't do shit. So we're going to mix up, I don't know, 28, 30, couple ounces, whatever. And then you just go to 4. I can't see if you guys can see. I don't know what you guys. So we're going to go to 4. So it's 4-to-1. So we're going to go to whatever material, 4, and then to there with hardener. That's pretty much it. Where's our ounces at? So we're going to end up around 32 ounces. We don't need that much. We'll probably end up with the last 4. We'll probably go here to here. That'll give us around 28 ounces or so. And we'll probably end up throwing a whole bunch away. Well, maybe I won't mix that much. Anyway, we'll bring you back. Alright guys, we just mixed up with our cup of shit. Now this isn't a custom mix. I don't know what color this was, but it's kind of like Ford dark blue, maybe. I'm hoping it is. It's close to it. Selena's going to paint this thing. Selena's got her hair up. She's serious right now. We did spray a little bit of etching primer, which we're in the shadows, of course. We're always in the shadows. We zoom out a little bit. There you go. Start at the bottom and come all the way up and over.
Start at the bottom.
Guess we should have moved out to the sun. Guys ain't gonna get to be able to see anything. It's so dark out here, it's ridiculous. I don't know why everything's so dark lately. My phone thing is turned down to the light or something. I don't know what the deal is, but it's terrible. We're gonna load the shit on here. Maybe we'll drag it out to the sun so you can see it, because we can't see anything. I don't know what it is with this phone lately, guys. It just sucks. It used to, like, even at night, it'd show up pretty good. In the total blackness of night, it would kind of show pretty decent, but not anymore. Now it's just black all the time. I think the thing's turned down somehow. I'm struggling with this thing.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah, she knows what she's doing. Don't let her bullshit you. We'll give her a little crash course after she gets her first tack coat on there. Maybe we need to open this gun up some, I don't know. I didn't spray it at all, so I don't know what the gun's doing at all.
You want this fully painted?
Yeah, paint everything. We're gonna paint everything on this thing. Right now I need to find the light on this phone because this is too dark. I think there's a way to dim this out or whatever, guys, I don't know. The phone is not being bright enough at all.
You want me to look at it?
Yeah, don't tip the gun upside down. We're going to pause for a minute. Alright guys, we're tacking. We got some spray on there. We're going to let it tack for a couple seconds. She's going to go back after it again. Selena's ready. Here we go, guys. She's going to nail it this time. We fucked with the phone. I'm still not happy with it, but it's better than it was. You know, get the oil pan down there. Yeah, see, when I walk in the shot, that's what it is. It's the shot. It's the shadow. And always wear a respirator. Don't do what we do, because we're stupid. Don't go light. Load it on there. Remember that wet edge? We talked about the wet edge before. There you go. Right up and over. There you go. It shouldn't look dry. It should look nice and wet. If it looks nice and wet, it's perfect. There you go. And we'll nook and cranny it after if we have to. Look at that thing, huh? And that's how, well, so right now, she just put a high performance cam, and we didn't go with 3/4. We went with 7/8, which is .875 racing cam in this thing. And it's Craigslist some more Craigslist. I mean, this thing is just getting newer and newer by the second. This is getting rebuilt like professional. This thing's gonna jump bottle cans. Isn't that what they used to say? It'll jump a can or what? I don't know what they used to say. They used to say some stupid shit like that. Right along with 3/4 inch race cam. 3/4 race cam. This got 7/8 race cam. She's gonna spray what she can spray. We're gonna load this thing down with paint. And it's a Craigslist rebuild. Oh, we lost all the receipts. What a shame. Machine shop didn't give them to us, so they burnt down or something happened. Yeah, it's getting shinier, guys. Look at that. Who says you can't polish a turd? The hell you can't. I mean, if this ain't polishing a turd, I don't know what is. I think this thing's like 170 horsepower or some shit. And look at it. It's pretty shiny right now. It's pretty shiny right now. Got a cross pattern going on there. Oh, yeah. Ain't gonna get no zebra stripes in this bad boy. I just had going after it. Spraying death out of this thing. We got massive wind today. We got all kinds of dirt. I think we're painting the building too.
What a mess.
Huh?
What a mess.
Let me open that because it's going to slosh all over. All right, guys, we're going to pause. We're going to let this tack up and we'll bring it back again. All right, guys, we're going to do another coat here. She's going to run over the whole thing again. We got plenty of paint on this thing. Looks beautiful. Look at it.
It does.
Craigslist rebuild right here. Watch out for runs. They're going to be coming now. We got a lot of shit on there. Look at that nice wet edge she's got going. You guys can't see it, but I can. I think that's pretty close to the dark Ford blue, actually. I don't know how far off it is, but I like it. You can go a little closer. Wetting it up. There you go. Oh, yeah. Shiny. Man, it's windy as crap out here, too. I don't know if you guys can see that stuff blowing or not. I think that's going to be this is going to be our short video here, I think, guys. I mean, we're pretty much there. I'll show you one more show, and once we get it in the building, we'll get some light on it. I'll bring you guys back and show you how awesome this thing is. All right, man. We'll see you in the building. Okay, guys, there it is, all painted up. We untaped some of it. We still got to scrape some paint from around the manifold. And yes, this thing, the oil killer is supposed to be black, and the powder pulley should be black, but we didn't care. We painted all blue. All of it. And this is Emerald Industrial. Look at this thing! If that's not polishing a turd, I don't know what is. That's perfect.
It's beautiful.
It's going right in there. Poverty tour. Got more paint than anything else. That's not true. I'm spending a fortune on this stupid truck. There it is, guys. Selena did a kick-ass job. And there it is. The whole 170 whatever horsepower this thing makes. Killer. Craigslist rebuild. No receipts. Like, share, subscribe. See ya.